Okay, so this is an instructional video on how to set a needle positioner for the J7R or Redsun direct drive motors, which will fit the DDL8100E, the DDL8700 and the DU1181. All use the same motors. So when you sew, you want the needle to always stop in the down position, and when you heel back, it will lift the needle to the correct position so that you can pull the thread out. Now on the screen you can make the sewing speed higher or lower by pressing the plus or minus keys, so make it higher or make it slower. And you can also make the needle stop up or stop down or not stop in any particular place. So at the moment you'll see that our light is needle down. When it's off, it means that the needle will stop in any random spot. So if you look at the needle, it's not stopping in a particular place, it's just random. If you want the needle to stop up, you press so that the needle stops in the up position. You can see now that it'll always stay in the up position. And if you want it to stop in the down position, you press the down position. Now, if you have an issue with where it's set, turn the hand wheel around and there should be a little reference point for us to line up with this arrow. So it's quite difficult to see, but you see there should be 3 lines here. So 1, 2, 3. Line that up there, and then on the back of the unit there's a hole which you fit a 2.5mm Allen key into, and you can loosen it. So you can loosen that. And then there is another one about 45 degrees, 90 degrees from the other way. And then you should be able to take the hand wheel completely off. What you have is you have a magnet here, see it's a magnet, and this is the sensor. So behind this cover is the sensor. So what you want to do is adjust the hand wheel so you can turn it, up or down. So you can rotate the hand wheel round. When the hand wheel is in the needle, so let's say for example, if you look at where the needle is there, then you can install your hand wheel back on and make some fine adjustments. So put your hand wheel back on, put your Allen key in, tighten the screw, never rotate clockwise, rotate anti-clockwise until we get to the next point. So we want to retighten this screw back up, and then what we can do is we can check. So this is needle down, needle up, and that's pretty good. If I lift there, thread comes free, needle staying down every time. If I heel back, needle comes to the top position and I can remove. So that's how you set a needle position on a Juki direct drive industrial sewing machine with a built-in motor, and it's supplied by Redsun or J7R. And it's important that if you can't get the position right in the first time, make a small adjustment, tighten just one screw up, check it, move around, sew some more. If it's still not right, but you always need to make sure that if you are programming the needle down position, you have to have the light on the needle down. If you program it on the needle up, then it's not going to work correctly because it doesn't have the heel back function. Once you are programmed on this one, another light will display, and then you can heel down and needle up. So thanks very much.